Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix login not available right now on WhatsApp. If you're using WhatsApp and you're having this type issue that login is not available, so let's see how can you fix that issue. So very first thing, you just have to go back and open your settings app, and in settings you have to make sure that you are connected to a strongest network connection. It might be a Wi-Fi or cellular, or you can try to switch between your Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. And once you have done, you just have to go back and here go for general, and then you have to try to update your software, because sometimes it might be that your software is not updated. So some of your apps will not work very well, and after updating your software, just go back to general section again, then go for the option of VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected, or if you're connected to an VPN, try to disconnect with your VPN, then go back, and from here you can try to reset your network settings. Go for transfer reset, select reset option, and then select reset network settings. Enter your passcode here, and all of your network settings will be resetted. Just select reset network settings option from the confirmation message pop-up. And once you have selected, all of your network settings will be reset. So if there will be any issue in your network settings, so it will be fixed in this step. And after that, if you're still having the same issue, so you can try to update your WhatsApp. So open your app store here, or your Play Store, and you just have to simply search for WhatsApp. And once you have searched, you have to make sure that you are on the latest version on your WhatsApp, or if you haven't, you have to try to update your WhatsApp. And after that, you have to retry to log in with your account. Or if you are still having the same issues, you have to open settings, go for general, go for iPhone storage, then go for WhatsApp from here, and you can try to offload app or delete app. If you offload your app, the app will not uninstall, but it will be completely reinstalled on your phone. Or after that, if you delete app, the app will be completely uninstalled, and you can reinstall from your app store or Play Store. And in this way, if there will be any bug into your WhatsApp apps, it will be fixed in this step. And after that, you will be able to log in with your WhatsApp. So in this way, you can easily fix your login issue on WhatsApp. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.